All right, we're on the green worksheet for 3.4. We're going to do number 2. A and C, I'll leave B and D up to you. So let's take a look at A and C. Find the point with coordinates median x, comma, median y for each group of points. One mistake that I saw as I collected those green worksheets were people were thinking, oh, they want us to like split the data into 3 groups and start that whole process over again. It's really not what they're asking you here. They're basically saying, pretend that this is one of those subgroups. You know, yesterday or whenever it was, if you're watching the video, it might not have been yesterday, we had a table with a bunch of data and we split it into 3 groups. You're supposed to pretend that that was already done for you. And this is one of those groups of data. So here's what you're trying to do. Here's the best method that I can think of. List all the x's in order. Luckily, they're already in order here. 3, 5, 11, 13. Then list all the y's in order. And again, they're already in order in this problem. 4, 8, 9, 10. The answer is, that's a really bad bracket. The answer is found by taking the median of the x's. So what's the median, you ask? Well, you cross off the 3, then you cross off the 13, then you're left with 5 and 11. Well, when you're left with 2 numbers and you're finding the median, you actually average them. The average of 5 and 11 is 8. 16 divided by 2. Then you do the same for the green numbers, the y's. Cross off the 4, cross off the 10. Halfway between 8 and 9 is 8.5, and you're done. That's the median point for that group, 8, 8.5. So same thing for C. First thing you want to do is put the x's in order. They're not in order already. 11 would be first, then 14, then 15, 16, 17, 20. Put them in order. Then we need to put the y's in order. Starting with 11, 13, 18, 19, 20, and 22. I think we got them all. All right, now that they're all in order, we need to find the median x, comma, the median y. So the median x would be, work your way in to the middle. When you're left with 2 numbers, average them. 31 divided by 2 is 15 and a half. For the y, work your way in. Halfway between 18 and 19 is 18.5. So that's how you do number 2. Go ahead and try B and D if you haven't already. The correct answers are, after you work through it, if you want to do that on your own, B comes out to be 3, 4. Ends up just being the middle point there. You should reorder them, though, and make sure it works out that way. And then for D, you should get 3.3, 4.4.